Boeing, a titan of the aviation industry, has long been synonymous with innovation and safety. For decades, the company has been at the forefront of aerospace technology, setting benchmarks for others to follow. However, recent years have seen the company embroiled in a series of incidents that have shaken public confidence and cast a shadow over its once stellar reputation. These events have not only tarnished Boeing's image, but have also raised serious concerns about the overall safety of modern aviation. From the tragic crashes of Lion Air Flight 610 and Ethiopian Airlines Flight 302, both involving the Boeing 737 MAX, to a string of near misses, the company has faced intense scrutiny. These accidents, which resulted in the loss of hundreds of lives, have been attributed to flaws in the aircraft's design and software systems. These events have raised critical questions about the design, manufacturing, and certification processes of modern aircraft, prompting a global conversation about aviation safety. The scrutiny has led to a deeper examination of the regulatory frameworks and the role of oversight bodies in ensuring the airworthiness of new aircraft models. The impact of these incidents extends far beyond Boeing itself. The ripple effects have been felt across the entire aviation industry, affecting airlines, passengers, and regulatory bodies worldwide. Airlines around the world have been forced to ground their fleets, disrupting travel plans and impacting the bottom line. The financial repercussions have been significant, with airlines incurring substantial losses due to flight cancellations and reduced passenger confidence. Regulators have faced increased pressure to ensure the safety of the skies, leading to lengthy investigations and stricter oversight. These regulatory bodies have had to revisit and revise their certification processes to prevent such incidents from occurring in the future. Perhaps most importantly, passengers have been left questioning the safety of air travel, a mode of transportation once considered the gold standard. The psychological impact on travelers cannot be understated, as trust in the safety of flying has been severely undermined. The aviation industry is built on trust, a trust earned through decades of rigorous safety protocols, technological advancements, and a commitment to continuous improvement. This trust is the cornerstone of the industry's relationship with the public. The recent incidents involving Boeing aircraft have tested this trust, highlighting the need for transparency, accountability, and a relentless pursuit of excellence in all aspects of aviation. The industry must now work harder than ever to rebuild this trust and ensure that safety remains the top priority. It is a stark reminder that even in the most technologically advanced industries, complacency can have catastrophic consequences. The lessons learned from these tragedies must serve as a catalyst for change and improvement. The path forward for Boeing and the aviation industry as a whole requires a collective effort to learn from these incidents, address systemic issues, and restore public confidence. This involves not only technical fixes but also cultural changes within organizations to prioritize safety above all else. This is not just about preventing future accidents, it is about reaffirming the unwavering commitment to safety that has always been at the heart of aviation. By doing so, the industry can hope to regain the trust of the public and continue to soar to new heights. While the Boeing 737 MAX crashes have dominated headlines, the aviation industry has faced numerous other challenges that have not received as much attention. Other incidents involving Boeing aircraft have underscored the ongoing challenges facing the company and the aviation industry, highlighting the critical importance of maintenance and safety protocols. One such incident, Alaska Airlines Flight 558, serves as a stark reminder of the critical role of maintenance, inspection, and timely intervention in averting potential disasters. This incident brought to light the vulnerabilities that can exist even in well-maintained aircraft. On April 15, 2022, Alaska Airlines Flight 558, en route from Seattle to San Diego with 176 passengers and 6 crew members on board, experienced a serious mechanical issue shortly after takeoff. The flight, which started as a routine journey, quickly turned into a high-stakes emergency. The aircraft, a Boeing 737-900ER, suffered a partial loss of the horizontal stabilizer, a crucial component that controls the aircraft's pitch. This mechanical failure posed a significant risk to the stability and control of the plane. This incident, though not resulting in any fatalities, sent shockwaves through the aviation community, raising concerns about the structural integrity of Boeing aircraft and the effectiveness of maintenance procedures. It prompted a re-evaluation of safety standards and protocols across the industry. The flight crew, faced with an unprecedented situation, demonstrated exceptional skill and composure in handling the emergency. Their training and quick thinking were crucial in managing the crisis. Despite the significant damage to the aircraft's tail section, the pilots were able to maintain control and safely land the plane back in Seattle. Their ability to navigate the emergency and bring the aircraft down safely was a testament to their expertise and calm under pressure. Their actions were nothing short of heroic, preventing what could have been a catastrophic accident. The successful landing was a relief to all on board, and a moment of pride for the aviation community. The incident involving Alaska Airlines Flight 558 served as a wake-up call for the aviation industry, highlighting the importance of robust maintenance protocols, thorough inspections, and the critical role of skilled pilots in averting disaster. It emphasized the need for continuous improvement in safety measures. It underscored the fact that even in the face of unexpected mechanical failures, a combination of human expertise and technological resilience can mean the difference between a safe landing and a potential tragedy. The aviation industry must remain vigilant and proactive in addressing safety concerns to ensure the well-being of all who take to the skies. The aftermath of the Alaska Airlines Flight 558 incident triggered an intensive investigation by the National Transportation Safety Board, aiming to uncover the underlying causes and prevent future occurrences. The primary focus was to understand the root cause of the horizontal stabilizer failure and to develop strategies to prevent similar incidents in the future, ensuring the safety of air travel. The investigation was a painstaking process involving detailed metallurgical analysis, thorough review of maintenance records, and comprehensive interviews with maintenance personnel. This meticulous approach revealed a complex interplay of factors that contributed to the near disaster, highlighting the multifaceted nature of aircraft maintenance and safety. Central to the NTSB's findings was the phenomenon of metal fatigue, a process that weakens metal components over time due to repeated stress cycles, which are inevitable in the life of an aircraft. The investigation determined that the horizontal stabilizer on the Alaska Airlines aircraft had developed microscopic cracks in a critical area, a consequence of the constant stresses experienced during flight, which are part and parcel of an aircraft's operational life. These cracks, though initially invisible to the naked eye, had gradually propagated over thousands of flight cycles, growing larger and more dangerous with each flight. Ultimately, this led to the partial failure of the stabilizer during Flight 558, a situation that could have had catastrophic consequences. The investigation also revealed that the specific area of the horizontal stabilizer where the cracks developed was particularly susceptible to fatigue. This area, known as a lap joint, is where two pieces of metal are overlapped and fastened together, creating a potential weak point. Lap joints, while common in aircraft construction, are known to be potential stress concentration points, areas where stress is more likely to accumulate, making them more vulnerable to fatigue cracking over time. The Alaska Airlines Flight 558 incident served as a stark reminder of the insidious nature of metal fatigue and the critical importance of rigorous inspection and maintenance procedures in detecting and addressing this potential threat before it leads to failure. It underscored the need for a deep understanding of material science, stress analysis, and fatigue mechanisms in ensuring the structural integrity of aircraft, thereby safeguarding the lives of passengers and crew.